Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. In this video, I will show you task 2, in which we need to first download the MongoDB. So, to download MongoDB, you go to MongoDB website. Just search MongoDB download. Yeah, and then you just download. Choose your window platform, and then you download. Okay, so once you've downloaded, this is my MongoDB. Wait, for that, let me open it again. MongoDB. You open MongoDB Compass. MongoDB Compass is like um, the user interface for MongoDB. So okay, first thing first, you connect. Then you go to gbioMSDB. This is created. You can create this by pressing this plus button. And then you name your database. Okay, so this is the database that I'm using. Okay, then write a function based Python. Good. So here is one. This is my function based Python code that implement all the CRUD method, which is C create, U update, and D delete. So create, we have post, and then we can read also. Get is read, gets read all, and then update is put, and then delete. So yeah, this is my function based code in Python for all those method. Okay, so here I'll show you the functionality. First we try gets function, which it will update us, in which it will read us all the information in the database. Okay, so save, and then we run. Okay, so here is the output. So this part right here, this is the output. This output is actually all the data in the database. For example, ID 5, LED 4. Okay, I'll output ID 5, name LED 4. Then ID 7, name Google Gaga. Okay, we can go to your MongoDB Compass, and then you see here is the data that we've just read by using gets method. So this here is ID 7, name Google Gaga. So that is for gets, which is include is read. So gets is read all. Okay, so we test get. Now we test get, which will only pass us the data that we want by specifying the ID, which data that we want, but by specifying the ID of the data that we want. Okay, so we run. None. Why none? Because in my MongoDB, in my database, there's no ID for. Okay, so we change it. Take ID 7. We save, then we run. Okay, now it fetch me the data ID 7. name Gaga GPIO2 state 1. So double check. Yes, it is correct. Okay, so that is read. It fetch. That is for get. It fetch the data ID 7. Then we use put method. Same also, we change the ID to ID 7 because ID 4 we don't have data with ID 4 in our database. So put is include, put is update. So yeah, we can update. So what we update is we can go and see the function definition where is put. Okay, so we actually update the state, the data, we change the state. So for data ID 7, we look at it first, is in state 1. So looking at our put function definition, change it to state 0. So perfect. So now we can run. Okay, it's done. So supposedly the ID 7, the state will change to 0 supposedly. Oh, fine. Yep, the 7 ID data ID 7, the state is updated from 1 to 0. Okay, and then we've finish with that. Finish with that. We go to C, create. So first we look at the function definition for our create. We create a new data. Since the name Gaga is already in our database, we already created this. Basically, this data I've tested before. I already create the same one. So we change the name. Change street light. GPIO change to 2. State we change to 1. Okay, so that's perfect. Now we save. Now we run the code. Okay, we go to our database, then we update. So yeah, there's a new ID, there's a new data with ID 9, the new data that we've just created. So in the CRUD is create. So the method we use for create is post. Okay, so that's done. Now lastly is the CRUD delete. So I want to delete the data that we've just created. So the data that we just created is with ID 9. We delete the data by specifying the ID of the data that we're deleting. So in this case, we want to delete that street light data. So the ID is ID 9. We save and then we run. Okay, go to our database. We update. Okay, now our street light data, street light is gone. The data is gone. No ID 9. No street light also. Okay, so that is basically it for task 2. Okay, yeah. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.